It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Tuesday, the 28th of September. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather stays pretty quiet through the weekend, although we'll introduce the chance of a few isolated showers tomorrow through the rest of the week and the weekend. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country early this morning. And again, we've got an upper low that's over the southwestern states. And for us, ridging beginning to build. Heights are coming up, so it's going to be pretty warm for the rest of this week. But not bad this morning. Some spots are in the 50s. Laniana 52, 55 for Gadsden, 56 for Cullman. High should be in the mid-80s today. A degree or two above average for this time of the year, but close. There's the watch warning map. Pretty quiet to start the day. There's a chance of severe storms later today around Washington, D.C. and Baltimore, a slight risk there. Also a marginal risk for parts of central Texas. Tomorrow, no organized severe weather expected, and pretty much the same thing on Thursday, which is day 3. Heaviest rain across the country for the next 7 days from Texas north into the plains, and just not a lot here. And as we talked about, we'll mention isolated showers beginning tomorrow through the weekend, mainly for the northern and western counties, but even on most days, the chance of any one spot getting wet, only 10 to 20%. In the tropics, got the ghost of Peter, which is east of Bermuda and the central Atlantic, Hurricane Sam, and a couple of tropical waves in the deep tropics. And for both of those waves, NHC giving those a high chance of becoming a depression or a storm, but most likely those won't bother us. This is Invest 91. That's the lead wave showing a sharp turn to the north. And this is the trailing wave, Invest 90, again showing a sharp northward turn way before affecting the Lesser Antilles of the United States. There's a look at Sam this morning. Top winds 130 miles an hour. This will likely stay a major hurricane through Saturday morning, but this will be making the turn, passing a little east of Bermuda and headed out to sea. No threat to the United States. The Gulf of Mexico stays nice and quiet. We can celebrate that. So model fans, here we go. The GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. Troughing in the northwest, troughing in the northeast, ridging in between. And for us, sunny and warm, mid-80s, showers off to the west over parts of Louisiana. And there might be a shower down around Mobile or Baldwin counties, but even there, most locations dry. So tomorrow, moisture increases a smidgen. We'll mention isolated showers for the western half of the state, but again, odds of any one spot getting a shower are small. Highs mid to upper 80s, partly sunny. This is Thursday, a chance of isolated showers again for the western half of the state, mainly west of I-65, partially sunny with mid-80s. And Friday, most of the state dry, first day of October. Maybe a few isolated showers over the Tennessee Valley, and that's about it. This is Saturday as the weekend begins. Again, the chance of showers for the Tennessee Valley, especially near the Tennessee state line. For the rest of the state, partly sunny, warm, mid-80s. This is Sunday. Again, isolated showers are possible. Otherwise, partially sunny with low 80s. And Monday, again, the high should be around 80. A mix of sun and clouds with a few showers possible in widely scattered spots. Here's a week from today, Tuesday the 5th, a zonal flow. And again, evidence there could be a few spotty showers. High should be around 80. We'll go out 10 days, Thursday of next week, October 7th. Got an upper high to the south and no change. So yes, isolated showers basically possible each day for a while, but the prospects of a big, widespread, significant rain look pretty low for a while. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean about 1 inch between now and the 12th of October. Highs in the 80s through the weekend, then evidence we'll see upper 70s on many days next week. And the CPC outlook, this is for October 5th through October 11th. Temperatures for much of the country, including Alabama, above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third-grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.